To webhookbill.com API SDK. You need to understand the basics of webhooks and the bill.com API. A webhook is a callback function that is triggered by a specific event. In this case, events related to bills, payments, and invoices on the bill.com platform. The bill.com API SDK provides a set of tools to integrate the bill.com functionality into your application. First, you need to create a developer account on the bill.com website and obtain an API key and secret. This will be used to authenticate your requests to the bill.com API. Next, you need to choose the events you want to receive notifications for, such as when a new bill is created or when a payment is made. To set up a webhook, you need to provide a callback URL that the bill.com API will send notifications to. This URL should be able to handle HTTP POST requests and parse the JSON data sent by the bill.com API. You can use a service like ngrok to test your webhook locally. Once you have your callback URL, you can use the bill.com API SDK to subscribe to the events you are interested in. You will need to provide your API key, secret, and the callback URL to the SDK. The SDK will handle the authentication and subscription process for you. When an event occurs, the bill.com API will send a notification to your callback URL. The notification will contain information about the event, such as the type of event and the related data. Your application can then process this data and take the necessary actions. Best practices for webhooks include handling errors and exceptions properly, validating the data sent by the bill.com API, and keeping your API key and secret secure. You should also make sure your callback URL is secure and can handle a high volume of requests. In terms of practical examples, you can use the bill.com API SDK to automate tasks such as sending notifications to your customers when a payment is made or updating your accounting system when a new bill is created. You can also use the SDK to integrate bill.com with other services such as Slack or Trello. In conclusion, webhooks provide a powerful way to integrate the bill.com API into your application and automate tasks. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can set up a webhook and start receiving notifications from the bill.com API. Remember to follow best practices and keep your API key and secret secure to ensure a smooth and secure integration.